Hello there, my friend, and welcome. Are you sick and tired of trying to build your network marketing business by bothering your family and friends and sliding into DMs of strangers? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. I'm going to share with you the best free Facebook Messenger chatbot that you can use to build your business. Stick around to the very end of this video because you're gonna want to take this chatbot for a test drive. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm a single mother of 2 children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, and currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally find that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was in a hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. I felt like I had the expensive hobbies from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading. I was always spending more money than I was earning. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online, things started to change for me. That's why I'm actually here to share with you this Facebook Messenger chatbot that I just stumbled upon that you can actually give away for free to build your email list, and you can use it to build whatever business that you choose. Okay. So Facebook Messenger chatbots is something that's it's now, the future is here now, right? So I'm gonna actually share my screen and give you a bit more information about how it works, right? I'm just gonna go through the page here, make sure I'm sharing the whole screen. Let's make it bigger. We want it bigger, don't we? So you can revolutionize your network marketing with automation and AI. Empower your team to attract, nurture, and convert prospects. So you can actually get a custom chatbot for your opportunity, done for you solution that you can use for your team, because it's all about automation and duplication, and you can have your chatbot set up in the same day. We actually have some templates that are there for you already. So everything that you need in one simple solution. So right now, you could be going through terrible rejection, trying to prospect. You could be following up with your prospects manually. You could have unstructured recruitment. You're just winging it, underperforming downline, stagnant team growth. With Botsy, you can actually automate your prospecting, streamline your follow-ups, structured recruitment funnels, high performance team building, and all this, right? So it's a done for you solution where there's no complicated setup and no monthly fees as well. It's a one-time payment, which is great if you decide you want to use Botsy to build your network marketing business. It's actually a simple copy and paste solution that can help you duplicate your business. Botsy will be out there working for you 24/7. Never sleeping, allowing you to connect to 3 billion active users on Facebook. Okay, single solution for your team, duplication, and a way to maximize conversions, right? These are the different testimonials. We have over 4,000 chat users, 128,000 page subscribers. We've sent over 8 million messages. So the chatbot actually works. And there's different things that you can actually do with it. But pretty much it's there to do the selling and the telling and the follow-up for you to your business, right? So if you have webinars, different things, getting started tutorials, you can order that in Messenger, right? You can turn your Messenger into a CRM. So what I want to do is invite you to click the link in the description to claim your free bot, right? I have a guide I'm giving away, but I'm also giving away the chat bot. So I'm going to send it to your email. So this is what it's going to be, where you can activate your bot, right? And you can give away this bot for free. And if people want to actually use it to build their network marketing business, if they choose to upgrade, you can actually get paid commissions up to 5 levels deep as well. So it's a great way for you to to build your list and build your business. So if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you and have a wonderful day.